Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 56. It is from chapter 9 of University Physics Volume 2 by OpenStax. All right, we need to find the maximum voltage that can be applied to a 10,000 ohm resistor rated at 1/4 of a watt. So let's start with what we know. First off, the resistance of the resistor is 10K ohms, so 10,000 ohms, 10 kilo ohms. Power is 1/4 of a watt, so 0.25 watts. And we need to find the voltage. Okay, we have the relation that the power is the voltage squared divided by the resistance, so we can use that. So P is V squared over R. We need to multiply both sides by R. So voltage squared is power times resistance. And so the voltage is the square root of the power, which is 0.25 watts, times the resistance, which is 10 times 10 cubed ohms. Okay, this gives us a voltage of 50 volts. Okay, I hope you found that helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.